Hi, I'm Mark Bernstein. I'm a divorce attorney in Westchester and Bronx County, and today I'm going to discuss what you need to know about the child custody laws in the state of New York. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mark Bernstein, and if you're going through a divorce or considering a divorce and you have children and you want to know what the rules are for custody, there are about 10 factors, but there are three that are most important. The first one is who's the primary custodial parent. What that means is what's the status quo? Who takes care of the child primarily now? Who's with the child? Who stays with the child? Who brings the child to school if necessary? Who takes the child to the doctor, etc. So they look at the status quo, and one of the theories behind that is the courts believe that if you're a couple together and you've decided that one of the parents was going to be the primary custodial parent, the court doesn't want to change that. They're not going to micromanage that. They want to keep things the way they are. So if one person has been taking care of the child, the court's going to look very heavily on that. The second point is which parent has more time to devote to the child. That is based on work schedules. For example, if one of the parents works 40, 50, 60 hours and the other parent doesn't work, it's very unlikely that custody is going to be given to the working parent, because the courts would rather have a child with the parent than a caregiver or even a grandparent. So they're going to give it to the person who has more time to devote. The third point is understanding the needs of the child. Is it a special needs child? Does the child have some things that may need special attention, whether it's an educational deficit or are they on certain medications? Who really has a better concept of what the child needs? Who can the child turn to? There is something called an in-camera conversation, which is when the child and the judge can talk in a room by themselves with an attorney for the child. And the judge does ask the child those questions. Who do you turn to? Who's more helpful to you? So these things are important. This is Mark Bernstein, and that's my answer to what are the rules of custody in the state of New York. There are many more. Those are the three most important. There are many. There are approximately 10 rules or 10 factors that are considered, but those are the important ones. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me to set up a meeting at 914-592-5000.